pagpili ng damit, yung pag-makeup, yung pagkulot ng buhok, pagplansa ng buhok, paglagay ng pilit mata. It took me hours for this event. Maraming salamat for spending effort. Palakpahan ko yung mga sarili niyo. You deserve it. Thank you for this event. Nagpa-reserve pa kayo ng hotel function room. And I'm sure matagal to the admins, Shin, Mami Norcy, Miss Jo. Yun yung mga una kong kausap before. Until now, 3 years na kami. Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa akin. And of course to everyone that's here tonight. And alam nyo, siguro in terms of, ang dami ko pong naririnig na sinasabi. Thank you for making us happy. Ulit, parang it's a cycle lang kasi. Diba? You do something that makes you happy, and then you make other people happy, and then they give you happiness in return. Constant cycle lang yan. That's called good karma. Siguro that's really important dun sa mga lahat ng dapat natin gawin sa buhay natin. We consider everybody else. Yung mga gawain natin, is it gonna be something na nakakapagdulot ng kasiyahan or kalungkutan sa ibang tao? So, the purpose really of doing something in life, especially the ones that you love. Iba-iba man ang career natin, pero isa lang ang goal natin is to be successful. And I'd like to believe that happiness is success. Diba? When you are happy, you can consider yourself successful already. And when you give happiness, it's even greater. Diba? The greater the happiness, the greater the success. So I'm really happy that nandyan kayo and also yung ibang mga fans na sinasabi sa akin. I give them happiness. And minsan parang unconsciously ko lang naibibigay yan kasi mahal ko yung trabaho ko at syempre mas mahal ko yung mga supporters. Yes. Kasi I always believe na walang artista kung walang fans. Yes. I want to inculcate that to all my co-actors and co-celebrities na hindi natin dapat i-take for granted yung mga sumusuporta sa atin. And for the longest time now, I see to it that I'm in every fan event na ina-organize for me. So, it's at least the least I could do for pagpila nyo sa umaga sa mall. Hindi pa po kasi mall, pag may event ako, andun na kayo ng 5 a.m., 5 in the morning. Bibili kayo ng pagkamahal-mahal na mga tickets, sa mga concerts, sa mga for supporting the brands, just to get close to me, just to take photos kasama ako. I mean, gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na all of that I really consider and I really appreciate everything, lahat po ng ginagawa niyo sa akin. And siguro, that's what keeps me going for 8 years. 8 years na po ako sa industriya. I'm 27, not getting any younger.
Pwede na mag-asawa!
So, siguro yung success ng isang artista is success din ng mga sumusuporta doon sa artista na yun. Diba, no? So, sana po patuloy lang natin yung pagsuporta sa isa't isa. As much as you are there for me, I am there for you. And sana po huwag niyo akong pabayaan kasi as much as possible, hindi ko kayo papabayaan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-organize nito, to the admins. Thank you so much. Ang dami ko pong sorpresa ang inihanda para sa inyo this 2019. Pero nasa first quarter pa lang tayo, so siguro yun na lang yung bigyan ko kayong konting excitement with that. There's so many things that's happening this year. And gusto ko kasama ko kayo doon.
Yes!
Sa journey na yun. Rather, if it be successful or not, as long as we all both share a common love to each other, siguro wala lang talaga sa atin yung mga darating na pagsubok. Tama ba?
Yes!
Alden Philippines, happy 3rd anniversary. Thank you. I can't believe na 3 years na yung fans club natin. I'm sorry kung minsan hindi ko na-accommodate yung ibang Alden Philippines. May mga napapalitaan akong news, pero I'd like to take this opportunity to apologize kasi siyempre isa lang ako, then madami tayo minsan na nakaka-encounter every day. Pero I'm sorry, but lahat po ng treatment sa lahat ng fans club ay pantay-pantay. Huwag niyo po sanang isipin na meron favoritism. So maraming salamat. Thank you for spending effort sa mga nag-ayos ngayong gabi, nagpakulot ngayong gabi, nag-hire ng makeup artist, nag-hire ng mga damit ngayong gabi. You all look great tonight. Maraming salamat po for this celebration and mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Alden!